Hello everybody, this is me, my unboxings and fun here today, and today I have my hands on the brand new, just released about a month ago or two ago, I'm not too sure, but here in the UK I think it was just released like a few weeks ago actually. The Nokia One Plus 2019, and it's the red edition. I just want to show you guys, inside the box, unbox the phone, and just give you a quick little startup and a quick introduction to this phone, because I heard that it's a pretty good and amazing phone, especially for its price. It has a 8 megapixels rear facing camera and a 5 megapixel front facing camera. It has a 960 by 480 5.5 inch display and an 8 gigabyte internal storage, and of course this is expandable probably up to like 128 GB by a micro SD card. It's also available in black, red and blue, but I'm unboxing today the red version. So yeah, and it operates Android 9, which is Android Pie, so it's very interesting to see how this cheap phone can operate this amazing handheld. But you can see I got in the red, Nokia One Plus, Nokia, some random other information you should have to know about. But again, there you go, the Nokia One Plus, Android 9 Pie Go Edition. So I've never actually owned an Android Go Edition device, so this is going to be my first one. So hopefully everything turns out to be awesome. If not, then I don't know what's going to happen. But this is my first sort of Android 9 Pie Go device, so let's hope for the best. It comes, again, it says the exact same thing I just read, apart from the 5.45 18.9 ratio. It has an IPS display, autofocus camera, 1.5 GHz quad-core processor. Amazing for this price. I mean, that's absolutely substantial. I mean, amazing. How it has a 1.5 GHz quad-core processor, that's absolutely good. And it has a 1 GB of internal RAM and 8 GB of memory. Okay, and it can, again, I just told you, I just estimated it, but I was right. It was a 128 GB micro SD card, expandable memory. Okay, so without further ado, guys, I'm just going to actually get this box open, but I don't have a knife with me. I need to invest in that still. But I'm going to use a pencil, actually, just to do it, because I don't have a knife, as I just explained. So, just get that off. First time I've opened this phone. So you have this little, like, tab thing, you slide it out, which is pretty cool. Nothing else inside the box. Put it to the side here. And this is the phone here, guys. This is the Nokia One. Let's get it out. And you can see, guys, this is the phone. So this is the Nokia One Plus in red. Absolutely amazing. It doesn't come with like any screen protectors or anything out of the box, which is, I mean, I'm not a big fan, but already out of the box you can see it's a pretty big fingerprint magnet. But anyway, I'll put that to the side. I'll come back to that in a minute. We're gonna come to, what's this? This is the battery, I'm guessing. Let's open it up. Okay, so the bit of battery just comes out. Again, quite cool, but quite disappointing at the same time, because I'm guessing nowadays people are more used to internally built batteries, not external batteries. But I guess external batteries are kind of cool as well. So it's a 2,500 milliamp battery, so that would do some work. Get started, Nokia One Plus. Product and safety info, not interested. And the box is kind of weird. I think Nokia boxes are like the worst boxes in my opinion. But I think like the devices are solid. But the box, the way that they package things, they could do a little work more on that. But I mean, Alcatel is probably the same as well, even worse. But anyway, here we have the USB cable. And as you can see, this is the micro USB cable. You can see that right there, micro USB cable. And yeah, so that's that. And this is the charger. Throw that away. The charger. And just, of course, a standard Nokia charger, nothing too popular. Probably we have these chargers since like 2009, 2008. So yeah, anyway, that's everything. Let's get to the phone. Phone here, 5 megapixel camera, 8 megapixel rear facing camera, flash, speaker, microphone down there. It's lightweight without the battery, so let's just put the battery in and see what happens. 3.5mm head jack. Okay, how do I actually... Oh, so you just have to... Okay, so is this like... Is this some sort of like... I don't know. Anyway, where's the battery gone? Okay, here's the battery. Okay, and then just put it in. Okay, let's see. Put it on. Android Go Edition. Don't have a mobile network at the moment. Connect to Wi-Fi. So, okay. I'm just going to skip this as well because I'm not really interested in that right now. Just a sec. Okay. Next. I'm just interested in the actual phone because I'm not going to like make a review on this actual video. Pin. So you don't. There's no fingerprint, of course, because it's kind of cheap. Pin, pattern, password or not now. I would say pattern. Okay, and then I would say that as well. This is not my pattern in my Android phone, by the way. My pattern is pretty crazy. Anyway, just a second. Just give it just a second. Apparently, not a second, more than 1 second, of course. You're nearly ready to go. See how they use that word? Anyway, okay, let's go now. If I tap in let's go, you agree to join it. Oh, okay, guys. Right, I don't know if you can see this, but the first thing I notice about the phone is I don't know how to explain it. It looks pretty. I'm just going to dim the brightness a bit so you can see. It's pretty amazing. You know, like out of the box, it looks crystal clean. Some lag, of course, because it's not really like a glass display, but some lag. The actual quality on the phone is pretty damn good. The colors, if you can see that, the colors on this phone for the price is pretty damn good. I'm not going to go bad on that. Okay, I know a lot of people hate my videos sometimes and they dislike it because I get too negative on some manufacturers, but I have to be honest, and that's something about being a tech YouTuber is being honest and giving your honest opinion, not just, you're getting paid by the company and just doing this and that. Yeah, because at the end of the day, I'm not getting paid, so I need to be honest, Anyway, I'm going to take a picture and I'm just going to show you guys how it looks like, and from what I can see, it's actually pretty awesome. I mean, again, for the price, I'm going to show you that here. If you can see that image, guys, can you see that image I just took with my phone at the back without flash or anything? That looks pretty awesome. I mean, for the price that I'm paying, this, like, the detail in it, the detailing, is actually not that bad. I'll just take a picture of my fish tank actually right now and I'll show you guys what I mean. Look at that. Look at that, how that looks nice. Anyway, I think it's an awesome phone. First impression, it's an awesome phone. If I just put it on the rear facing camera, front facing camera, not too happy. I'm not being an iPhone lover or an Android hater. I'm just telling you guys that this front facing camera is not really that great. So if you're getting this phone for selfies, not great. Rear facing camera, it can pass. Anyway, guys, if you want to hear more of me criticize this phone, you can go ahead and watch the full review of this phone. I'll probably also be making like a water test. All my videos get love on that, so I'll probably be making one of these on this phone as well. Anyway, guys, have a nice day. I hope you subscribe to my Unboxing and Fun for more videos, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye!